In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a character in characterai. So the first thing you want to do is to be on the characterai website, and if you don't know the URL, take a moment to just pause the video so you can take note of this URL. And then when you get on here, you just want to either create an account, or if you've already got an account, just go ahead and log in. So from here, we can actually start creating our character. So what we want to do is go into the left hand side, and we will see these 5 different options. However, we just want to choose the one in the middle that says create. And then when we choose that, it will ask us to choose between a character and a room. And since we want to create a character, we will choose create a character. Now we first want to put in the name for our character. So I'm just going to put in my name, James. But obviously you can name it whatever you want. Now next up, I'm going to put in the greeting. So it says here, what would James say to introduce themselves? For example, Albert Einstein could say, hello, I'm Albert Einstein, etc, etc. Now I'm just going to put something simple. I'm just going to put, hello, I am James, and leave it at that. But obviously, if you're creating a character based on a certain celebrity or an actual person, you can change this response so that it matches more of their personality. Now number 3 is toggling image generation. So if we tick this, we can actually enable image generation with this character, and that'll basically allow it to create images when we're talking to it. Next up is visibility, so you can choose who's actually allowed to talk to it. If you want to create this so that just you can chat to it, you could want to select private. However, if you don't care who views it, you can choose public. Or if you only want your friends viewing it, you can choose anyone with a link, and then you can share that link around to anyone who you trust and know. Then next up is avatar, so you can actually create an image from text, or you can choose to upload an image. So I'm just going to choose to create an image with text. And I'm just going to type this. That's not really what I asked for, but I'm going to do that one anyway. And then what we want to do from here is select edit details, which you can find here. And in brackets, it will say advanced. And this basically allows us to have more options when we are editing it. So here we have 2 types of descriptions. We have short descriptions, which means in a few words, how would they describe themselves? And then we have the long description. So in a few sentences, we want this character to describe themselves. So in this, you can include their personality, their appearance, or even their backstory. Now next up, we have the category. So we can put in the type of category they are in. So if they're a businessman, for example, we can choose business. And we can basically add all these tags that are relevant to them. Next up is the character's voice. So you can select a default voice for your character. And you can also click play to preview the voice. So let's just choose one of these at random and click play.
Ciao mondo, come stai oggi?
That is what they will sound like. So if we're happy with that, we'll leave it at that. Or if you want to try others, you can go ahead and try all these out and see what you like best. This next option is definition visibility. What this basically is it allows you to control whether users can see the character definition. So the definition is a long text field where you can provide more detailed information about your character, such as their personality, appearance, and backstory. So in the definition, we actually want to put example conversations and information that can define your character. So the first 15 to 30 messages are the most important, so keep that in mind. And you can click on here if you need some examples. So you just basically need to create some conversations and answer them how your character would actually answer that. And then from there, we can also change the visibility of the definition. So if we want people to be able to see our example conversations, we can allow that with public. Or if we want to make that private and we don't want them to see it, we can go ahead and choose private on this one here. And then when we've gone through all of these options and we are happy that they're all set correctly, we can go ahead and click save down here. And after you actually click save and back out of there, we can come to here to create a room, and if we select this, as you can see, here's that character that I actually just created. So if you followed all the steps correctly in this video, you too will have created your own character with its own personality in characterai. The possibilities are endless with this, and you can have a lot of fun just chatting with it. So hopefully you did find this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.